No, they don't. In 2021, you would think they had a clue, but they don't. That girl's be treated like a queen. She's royal, she's a lady. Her wealth and esteem, get a clue. I'm talking to you. That's my new song, everybody. Get a clue. You're gonna have to pre-order this song. Dropping pretty soon. Dun, 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 dun. Those boys over there don't know how to respect a girl. No, they don't. In 2021, you would think they had a clue, but they don't. Come on, everybody. That girl's we treated like a queen. She's royal, she's a lady. A wealth and esteem, get a clue. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Get a clue, 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 get a clue. That girl's to be treated like a queen. Bye bye, everybody. It's my new song, Get a Clue.
It's the Barbara Campbell back.
You're going to want to pre-order this song and download it and stream it and buy it right now, everybody. I'm Barbara Campbell, independent digital music artist creator from Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights. Welcome to the Barbara Campbell Television Show. This is the Barbara Campbell Show. This is Be Live on Air. And you're at my show today's segment, and I want to thank you. I'm a little out of breath, but I'm so excited to be here with you all. Thank you so much for tuning in every week and supporting me as an artist. Gosh, I have so much to talk to you about, but how are you? I hope that you are enjoying yourself, and I hope this song uplifts you today. And I talk about music heals the soul. So I'll see you in the next minute. Have an amazing week, and thank you so much for tuning in today and watching the show. All right, everybody, hashtag Barbara Campbell Music and start listening it today. All right, everybody, you count, you matter, stay in Brooklyn. Don't forget to vote. Vote our music. All right, everybody, bye-bye. Stay green.